Hello there and welcome back to Fun with Music. I hope you all are having a great day. This is a short how-to video on setting voices and styles on your keyboard. Now, since this is the first video in which I'm interacting with you all, I would like to thank all my supporters who have subscribed or have just watched my videos. So I decided to make how-to videos because I get many questions in the comment section regarding functions of the keyboard. So without any further ado, let's jump straight in. So here I have the Yamaha PSR SX700. On the right side of my keyboard, I have my voice categories, and on the left side, I have the style categories. We can choose not only just one voice, but it's also possible to overlay up to 3 voices in this keyboard. So let's choose our right one voice. We can choose a particular category such as piano or organ, or we could choose a particular voice using the search bar. But for now, let's take rock organ as our right one voice. Let's do the same for the right two voice. Let's take piano for now. Now let's suppose we want piano to sound an octave lower. We could reduce the octave of piano by going into the menu, the voice part setup, and we can reduce the octave from here. Here's how it sounds. I think that the organ is sounding a bit too loud and we need to reduce the volume of only organ. We can do so by going into the mixer, and let's reduce the volume of organ from here. Let's change it to 80. And now organ should sound a little bit softer. Now let's choose our style. Like we did in the voice section, we can choose a particular category, or we could choose a particular style using the search bar. But for now, let's just take grunge rock. Let's increase the tempo to 100. Let's switch on accompaniment and sing start. We can choose from the main variations here, with main A being the mellowest and the simplest, and main D being the busiest and the loudest. Let's take main B for now. Here's how the style sounds. Now with the style and the voice together. I think that the style is a bit too loud and we need to reduce the volume of just the style. So let's go into the mixer once again and let's reduce the volume of the style. Let's switch it to 80. Not only can we change the volumes of just the voices and the styles, but we can also change the volumes of the individual tracks of the style. So if, for example, the drums are too loud, we can change the volume of the drums by going into the style tab. And here is our drum track. So let's reduce the volume of the drums. And now the drums should sound a bit softer. Now with the style and the voice together. Our setup is now complete and we're ready to play. I hope you found this video useful, and let me know in the comments section if you want me to cover any specific topic or if you have any questions. Thank you so much and I'll see you next time.